Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and into this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Runway Video AI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically you will need just to go to the Runway uh, website. So you can just go to your web browser and just type Runway AI and then go to this website. Make sure you are on the runwayml.com and then it will take you to this dashboard after signing up. So either you can use the gen or the second generation of this AI and start moving your images, or you can just go to the videos and start generating videos. So either you can go and generate video, or you can generate an audio for your videos. For example, you can either have text to speech or clean audio if there was some noise on such audio. So here we are going to text and image to audio. Let's just go for this one, and for the moment go here, and basically you can go to text and describe something. So for example, uh, a green fortress or an army attacking a fortress. And then we go to generate, and basically here there are some settings. Those are the general motion, like the intensity of motion in the images, and of course you can choose the camera motion however you like, and you can have some other uh, tools or some other modification on this prompt. So I'm just going for here to generate a 4-second image or a 4-second video. You will need just to wait for the generation for your video or your image to video, and that's it. And basically this is the final result of your my prompt, and of course you can change it however you like. You can start go and add more details on your prompt, and also you can add image to be the start of the video. So let's add, for example, this cosmic image, and let's go for this one. This one has a high resolution, so I'm just going to drag and drop this image so we can see the image to text, image to video generation or image to video result. So basically we go just here, and of course you will need just to wait as we waited for the other one. And this is the final result of our image to video. So they add just some emotion to the video, and of course there is the combination of the two, and we can try this. We can go for this one, and here instead of fortress, attacking in space, and we generate. And here you will need just to wait again for the queue, and you will have a final result. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.